Good morning, Facebook and Battle Born Harley-Davidson family. We're here right now in front of the dealership. As you saw this weekend on our billboard, we're having our Born Again pre-owned sales event. That's right, going on right now all month long. We have over 100 pre-owned motorcycles available for immediate delivery, with some Harley-Davidsons as low as $3,995. That's right. And we do have financing available with no money down options available. That's right, no money down available. Go ahead and follow us right now and we'll show you some of our pre-owned bikes. Here's some of them. Like we said, we have over 100 to choose from. Over 100 pre-owned motorcycles to choose from. We're super, super excited. Here's some out here. We'll take you on inside to our beautiful facility. Come check out our crib.
Be young.
Beautiful facility. That's right, folks. Here at Battle Born Harley-Davidson, the Born Again Sales Extravaganza. Pre-owned motorcycles, over 100 to choose from with no money down available. And we also have bikes as low as $3,995. Get in here today and don't miss out. We look forward to seeing you. Get on our billboard. We do this weekend $3,995. Go ahead and walk down with us right now. We'll show you a couple, some as low as $3,995. That's right, you get a